Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I'm in Dubai and here we are. We're in Dubai Mall. I'm just exiting to the fountain court. How stunning is that? It's amazing. You feel all the heat. Wow, it's very warm today. Look at that. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Look at the Burj Khalifa, guys. Here we are. Wow. The dream come true. Some restaurants here. Wow. Lake. Got a man just there. We've got an ice cream stall here. This is the morning time, that's why it's not quite busy yet. But we will come here in the evening time because there is a fountain festival on here where all the water goes up. I'm sure you guys must have seen that on TV, on YouTube. Right, so inside there's the Dubai Mall. It's roughly about 46 degrees today. Let's make our way on top of here, guys. Show you the view from this side, on top of this little bridge. Check that out. Got Jamie Oliver here. Yeah, plenty of variety of foods, guys. Italian food, Mexican food, Indian food. Everything you can get from this mall. Check these horses. So here, guys, you got the big heart here, where you take your photographs. So if you basically stand just in the center there, I'm sure you'll get the Burj Khalifa in that as well, which is outstanding. Burj Khalifa entry. That's nice. Oh wow. So we're on top of the Burj Khalifa. Look at that stunning view. Right then, guys, so I'm going to buy this for myself, a Burj Khalifa metal tower. Let's take you to the counter. Right then, guys, so I've got my Burj Khalifa tower metal here. It's inside there. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.